back out here again. It's -5 degrees out here. I've been not really joyously wanting to come out here and do this, but I got a steering wheel and an adapter that come in, and if I'm going to send that adapter back, I need to pull the steering wheel off and see if that adapter is actually going to work. We're going to get rid of this factory steering wheel sooner or later. So that's what we're doing today in the blazing cold, and then hopefully I don't have to send any of these parts back. This was bought off eBay. It's a Grant steering wheel. It should have been, you know, 60, 100 bucks. I got it for 35, so we're gonna put it on. It's an 838 style. Anyway, we're gonna pull that wheel and hope that that box right there has what we need to put the Grant wheel on. Okay, so the nuts, I broke the nut free here on the steering wheel. I'm gonna put a puller on, pull this factory wheel off. Alright, so I got the puller set up here, and we're going to pull this wheel off and then put that Grant adapter on, hopefully the Grant wheel. Alright, so we got the factory wheel off, and the horn thing we're no longer going to use. So now we're going to try that adapter and see if it fits on there. So this is the Grant kit 3196, and this is for like a 92 15K 1500 Chevrolet. So we're gonna try this out. If this works, it'll work on your Dakota. Apparently, don't take me. I don't know. This is trial and error here. Fingers crossed. Well, the adapter piece slides on the spines there correctly, so I'm pretty sure this is going to work. So then you put that piece on, and then the directions say to put this piece on, and then to put the steering wheel. I think I did a pretty good job. I got two different center caps. I'm not going to use the horn, but I'm going to go ahead and put it on, save you that boringness of that. Of course, the nut goes on there and gets tightened down. Pretty simple. Well, it worked. Everything's tightened down. Spring even works right. I got two different caps. I got one Grant one, and I got one chrome one. I'm going to use the chrome one. But I'm going to pop it on there, and I'll show you it all put together. Well, there she is, all put together there. I could even use the horn if I wanted. But she works. What they say about that K1500 kit on a Dakota, this is a 92, so the guy told me that 98s, and I guess it works on 2000. Dodge bought these steering wheels or the columns from the same place that Chevrolet bought them from. So you can buy it, and you buy it from Amazon. You can send it back if it's wrong. But so now I got rid of that factory wheel. If I wanted to, I could run the horn, but I'm gonna put my horn somewhere else. Put a button down here on the column or something. And anyway, hope you liked the video. She works good for me. We'll have a decent, I'm gonna pretty this column up and everything, but no longer have that stock wheel and all that crap that it had on it. All right, have a nice day. Bye.